Struggling with stubborn belly fat? Try this natural 2-ingredient drink every morning. It's simple, effective, and backed by real results. No extreme dieting or supplements needed. Just nature's power in a glass. 1 glass of warm water and juice of 1 fresh lemon. Every morning on an empty stomach after waking up. Wait at least 20 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Warm water helps flush out toxins and improve circulation. Together, they create a gentle fat-burning environment. Reduces bloating and improves digestion. Detoxifies the body and supports immunity. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Avoid sugary and processed foods. Add light activity, like walking or yoga. Use a straw to protect your teeth from lemon acidity. With regular use plus healthy eating. Week 1 to 2. Less bloating, better digestion. Week 3 to 4. Noticeable fat loss, more energy. Visible reduction in belly fat and waistline. Consistency is key. Your belly fat doesn't stand a chance. Like, share, subscribe for more natural health tips.